Garlic can be rooted and prepared for planting in the ground this way. While it's not yet time for autumn planting, or it's too early for spring planting, our garlic is being rooted. Look at how well developed the roots are. Such garlic cloves with strong roots will have an advantage when planted outdoors. Here is how we did the garlic rooting procedure. We bought well-known cheap food containers and adapted them for this purpose. We make holes of the appropriate diameter in the containers using a tube. The diameter of the holes should match the diameter of the garlic head. Then we pour water into the containers. We have prepared healthy garlic heads that we want to root quickly. We will arrange them on the holes so that the bottom of the garlic touches the water. Leave it somewhere on the window. After a few days, the roots have already grown quite a bit, and the above-ground shoots are slowly sprouting. If necessary, add a little water. We return again in a few days and look. The shoots are there, and the roots are excellently developed. We will separate each clove from the head and prepare the material for planting. We plant garlic in rows in well-prepared soil. This well-rooted garlic will absorb more water and nutrients from the soil due to its strong root and will progress faster. Another way is to put the garlic heads on jars with water. Again, it should be emphasized that only the bottom part of the garlic should be in contact with the water. Cut the tops of the cloves as the shoots will grow better. After a few days, the root is already developing, and the upper shoots are progressing nicely. After a few more days, we return to see what the situation is. The garlic has rooted excellently and quite quickly. Now we can transplant it into the ground. We separate the cloves with the root from the head. We got garlic seedlings. If the root is too long, shorten it with scissors. Plant it in the ground and water it well. We also plant it in the garden. The easiest way to support our work is to like the video. Click the follow button, then the bell, and finally confirm the bell. This means a lot to us. Thank you for your support.